Hello, this is Josh Curran with Curran RV and CFMoto Parts.com. Today we're going to take a look at how to install the hard cargo box on a CForce 600. This cargo box fits the 2020 and newer CForce 600 single-seater and touring. It has a 24-gallon capacity, has hard latches to secure your cargo, and has a gasket around the lid to keep your cargo dry. This box includes 4 CFMoto Quick Connect clamps for easy installation. Let's take a look at how to install it. So we'll take our first set of 2 CFMoto Quick Connect clamps. We'll unlatch the clamp by twisting the lever so it's pointing outward from the arms. We will install these first 2 clamps on the rearmost center slots on the rear rack, with the arms facing the rear of the unit. We just slide it down in the hole and swing the arm over to latch it in place. If this clamp is too loose, we can tighten with the Allen head. We'll install the second one here on the rear, and now we can slide the box on from the rear. We'll center our box and align it onto those Quick Connect clamps. The box will catch on those arms and the rear is now secure. To finish installing, we install our front 2 clamps at the front of the box. These clamps just slide right down in and the arm swings over to tighten. We'll do this on both sides of the unit. And we are now done. As you can see, this hard cargo box is easy and quick to install. We did this in less than a minute here. Make sure you check out CFMoto Parts.com for all of your CFMoto parts and accessories needs. We'll be adding more of these types of videos to our YouTube channel, so make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell to be the first to know when new videos come out. Thanks for watching.